Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A02s, and let me show you how to enable the TalkBack mode on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to find accessibility. Let's tap on the screen reader, and as you can see here we've got three options to choose from, let's say. First of all is connected to the turning on and turning off the voice assistant, which is now obviously switched off. Under it we've got the tutorial, so of course you can go through it before turning on the screen reader and learn how to use it. And under it we've got the settings. So first of all, let's tap on the settings, and here you've got a lot of options to customize. So for example, you can decide if you want to speak the passwords, if you want to read caller ID aloud, if you'd like to change the sound feedback and its volume. What's more, you can change the focus indicator, and so on and so on. Here you've got a lot of options actually, so of course set them just like you want according to what you want to receive from your device, but I will leave them like this. And now let me show you how to turn on the voice assistant, and after that I will show you some basics of the navigation, let's say. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and here your device is telling you that the voice assistant has to have the full control of your device, so it has to view and control the screen and view and perform actions. So if you're ready, tap on allow, and as you can hear, the voice assistant is on and your device automatically opens the tutorial for you. So of course you can go through it and, as I said, learn how to use it, but now I will show you some shortcut of it. So first of all, let me show you how to choose something, for example the back button or the app, because you can do it the same way. Simply tap on the thing you want to use. As you can see here we've got the blue frame, and then you will hear the feedback from your device, and after that let's double tap to enter. As you can see, we just got back to the screen reader options, so let me do it again, and we are in accessibility settings. Let's get back again, and here we've got the general settings. So this is the best place to show you actually how to swipe. So in order to do that, you have to use two fingers just like that, and it's quite easy, or you can do it this way, but in my opinion the first option is much easier. So now actually after all of those basics I can show you how to turn off the TalkBack. So let's find the accessibility. Let's tap on it and double tap, tap on screen reader, double tap, tap on this voice assistant, double tap, tap on turn off and double tap. And as you can hear, the voice assistant, the screen reader is off. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the screen reader in your Samsung Galaxy A02s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.